So tomorrow we are going to be smoking up some wings for game day. And today I want to get them all seasoned up so they can rest in the refrigerator overnight, sort of air dry that skin. And the first thing we need to do is get our rub made. We're going to start with 2 tablespoons of smoked paprika. This is going to be a nice smoky rub. 1 teaspoon of kosher salt. 1 teaspoon of a coarsely ground black pepper. 1 teaspoon of granulated garlic. And half a teaspoon of chili powder. Just want to mix this up. Next thing is we're going to add a 1/4 cup of a rub. Now just pick your favorite rub. I'm using Lucky 13 from Baby Jake's Barbecue. A 1/4 cup of rub in there. All right, let's get our wings seasoned up. So here I have 5 pounds of wing pieces. You got flats, you got drummies, and we're just going to sprinkle our seasoning in here and mix everybody up. Just good sprinkling going in here. Toss everybody around. All right, that's looking good. We're going to get these racked up so they can air dry in the refrigerator overnight. Got my rack here, and we're just going to start placing everybody on here. Should be able to fit everybody, hopefully. I could get out another tray with another rack if I need to, but I think we can do it. We'll just get creative if we need to. Now you may be wondering, hey, what smoker or grill is he going to use tomorrow? Well, here's the honest truth. I don't actually know yet. This is probably too many to fit on the kettle all at once, and I don't want to do multiple batches, so I'm not sure. I'll have to decide later today, maybe tomorrow morning. We'll see. Now, the purpose of air drying like this is to help that skin dry out a little bit. It can help prevent rubbery skin. You know, crispy skin is one of those things everybody wants on chicken wings. The only reliable way I've found to really get crispy skin all the time is deep frying. You could direct grill these and get some crispiness, but I've never found it to be 100%. Really, the only 100% thing for me has been deep frying. Now, we could smoke fry these where you smoke them and then deep fry them. I don't know. Should I do that? There are a whole bunch of unknowns about this cook so far. How am I going to do it out there? Which grill? Am I going to fry it later? I'm just going to play it by ear, but these are going to be fantastic wings because tomorrow also we're going to be making a really good dipping sauce for them. But right now, these are going in the refrigerator. They're going to air dry overnight, let that seasoning set on them. And tomorrow, I'll see you out at the grill. All right, as you can see, I decided to use the Hunsaker Vortex Drum Smoker. I've got that lid up there coming up to temp. I'm using some peach wood in there today and no water pan or anything because we want these wings to really cook up nicely with that skin not being rubbery. Before we head out there and put the wings on though, I want to get our dipping sauce ready. And it's very simple. We're starting with half a cup of Sriracha. To this, I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of crushed ginger, and I'm going the easy way with the stuff in the tube. I'm also going to add about a 1/4 cup of honey. And we're just going to get in here and mix this all together. Some of that sweet, some of that spicy, some of that fragrance from the ginger. Just take your time. That honey, because it's thicker, takes a little bit of time to blend in with everybody else here. So don't stir too fast or it's going to come over the edge of the bowl. Ask me how I know that. Get a quick little taste here. Nice little tang to that. Really, really good. It's going to go great with these wings. All right, let's head out to the grill. All right, so the Hunsaker Vortex Drum Smoker is up to temp. We're going at 450 degrees today. Yeah, just like a nice hot oven. Want to get a good, non-rubbery, little crispy skin today on these wings. They're not going to take long at this temp, half hour probably at most. We're going to put them on, check them in about 15 minutes, maybe turn them. So let's go ahead and get them on the grill. I can attest to the fact that this is a hot fire in this drum. All right, I'm going to get this closed up and we're going to come back in 10 or 15 minutes, give them a check. All right, we've been going 15 minutes. Let's go ahead and check our wings. Probably give them a turn. They're smelling really good. All right, we're going to give those about 10 more minutes, and then they will be done. Now, you want to check for temp. 165 is minimum. On wings, I like to go 175, 185. But really, that's up to you as long as you get it to that 165 safe temp. So in about 10 minutes, we'll check these. I'm pretty sure they'll be coming off. All right, we've been going another 10 minutes. Let's check our wings. Let's check this one right here in the middle. Yeah, that one's showing 188. So yeah, we're good. These wings are done. They're coming off, and I'll see you inside. All right, let's start plating up our gorgeous wings here. I mean, just look at these. Extremely happy with these. Have my sauce already dished up in the middle there. We're going to see how many we can fit on here. I don't think we'll get everybody on, but still going to be a pretty big party here. I think that's a good amount. I mean, I don't think I would eat all of these, but see how hungry I am. All right, I'm going to dive in here first for a taste with no sauce. Here we go. That skin is crispy. Let me see if you can hear this. Really, really good flavor from that rub. That was a good flat, but now let's go for one of the drummies with some sauce. Cheers. That sauce is perfect on this. Just a little bit of a kick, not too much. And if you have people that don't like any heat, you could like reverse those ratios, make it half a cup of honey and a quarter cup of sriracha or even less. But it's great flavor. These are perfect game day wings.